Okay, so here you can see that we're quite a bit above the actual bottle, and I'm going to pull it down onto the bottle. There's no cap in place, but you can see how it's coming down, and it's now gone completely over the head. Okay, so if you're at all worried, you can actually pull this lever out here and just drop it 1 point. That then means I've got even more leverage to be able to put the cap on. Finally, I'm going to drop it 1 more point, which is there. And again, I've got so much leverage now, it's unheard of. So the cap simply sits underneath there. And I've got a choice of those 3 positions that I've just shown you. And that is going to come down and seal it on there. This part here, as you can see, as it goes up and down, that black bit moves into the head. So if that turns or swivels, just put it so it's actually in position so that it can go up or down.